Hello and welcome to your Advanced Java Programming course, and in this video we're going to learn how to use the one-dimensional array. In the previous video I showed you how to create an array, so in this one I'm going to show you how to use one. We start with the data type, so I'm going to use int, and then we'll give it a name. Usually it's ARR, which is the typical name for an array. Open up square brackets equals new int brackets and how many places you want in it. I'm going to say 10 and then close with a semicolon. Now we are going to create a loop that will run 10 times, giving the user a chance to enter in 10 integers into each place in the array. The for loop will go as follows: for int I equals 0, I is less than 10. The reason we don't say less than and equal to 10 is because the number place system in an array starts at 0. So we wanted to stop at 9 and not 10. Otherwise it would be out of bounds. I++. Then inside we create our array and give it the value of I, which will start at 0 and move up till 9 each time the program is run. Equals integer dot pass int. We have to pass it because a JOption pane allows the user to input a string but not an integer, so we have to convert whatever integer the user enters. Dialog, enter a number, close with a semicolon, and that's our program. So when we run the program, it should fill the array. So now we have to create a second for loop that prints the values. For int j equals 0, j is less than 10, j++. System out print on, and inside ARR brackets j. This program may seem redundant at the moment, but this is just to show you how the array works. Now when you run the program, we're asked to enter a number. So I'm just going to do a count up to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 values, and as you can see in the output box, all printed neatly. This is how to create an integer array and how to give it values. Next, I'm going to show you the length field to get the length of how many values there are in an array. Now I'm going to adjust the for loop so it only runs 5 times. I'm going to remove this. I have adjusted the for loop to 5. So that way I'll only be able to enter in 5 values. And next, I'm going to create a system.println and inside ARR.length. And that's it. The reason I don't add the brackets after length is because it is a field, not a method. So what this should do is find out how many values there are in this array. So will it print out 10 for the number of places, or will it print out 5 for the number of values? So let's run the program, add in our 5 values, 2, 3, 4, 5, and it prints 10. It tells you the number of places that it can hold. This is very useful if you have an array that you don't know the values of, so you can set the array length as the I over here. So ARR.length, and it should run 10 times. So when I run the program again, get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 values instead of 5. So if you have an array that you don't know the length of, be sure to use this field, as it will undoubtedly help. And that is the one-dimensional array. In the next video, I'll show you how to use a two-dimensional array.